All right, so here we are in the kitchen. As you can tell, mid remodel. I've been doing a lot of sanding on these cabinets, and your palm sander slows down, it freezes up, it gets a little crystal of ice in there that it has to blow out. I'm shooting a quick intermission about this guy. So this is a moisture filter for your air compressor, and it's full of these little silicate beads. It's inexpensive, and it works really well for about maybe an hour. What happens is these beads start out dark blue, and as they turn pink, then you know that they're full of water and donezo. It's basically not gonna filter out the moisture anymore.
It's changing, it's changing, it's changing. What is it, an equal sign, an arrow?
A peace sign?
Here's a quick fix. I mean, what I've figured out is you can actually disassemble it. You can dry the beads out, put it back together, and it works just like new. Check it out. So I've got the oven heating to lowest heat setting you can. I've already loosened this up. So this comes out, and you can see the air comes in and it goes out these side tubes. It passes inside there through a felt filter. You can pull this little piece of felt out. We'll dry that also. But here's all these silicate beads. You should definitely wash up with this and make sure to keep it away from your kids. It's very similar to what's in those packets in your box of shoes. It says do not eat.
One donut with sprinkles? And wait a minute, these are not sprinkles, sir.
What I'm gonna do now is just take with the paper plate, check back in about 15-20 minutes. So that's cool. What should we talk about for 15-20 minutes? I don't know. You guys want to talk about something? All right, I don't know. I'll check back. You guys want to talk about something? I'm just kidding. All right, back again. It's been a while. You guys want to talk about something? Probably an hour or so. I left it a little longer, wanted to make sure it got good and dry. Let's check it out. Look at how blue those are. All right, I'm gonna pull them out and reload the thing, show you what that looks like. With all of those in there, the top this goes, and inside here there are rubber seals, both ends, so as you screw these together it tightens. There you have it, put back together. So I'll tighten that with a wrench and show you it in action. And you basically just install it like this. Watch as I take this off, you may see some moisture back off that's out in the hose. You might have seen a stream there. So I'm just gonna put this in line, and then I'm gonna zoom in on this here and run the air gun for a bit, and you may start to see little droplets form in there. All right, so that is a quick demonstration and also rebuild of the central pneumatic inline desiccant dryer filter. Again, if you're having issues with, little drops of water coming off the end of your nozzle, or, your air nailers and things like that, or even your palm sander slows down, it freezes up, it gets a little crystal of ice in there that it has to blow out. I imagine just about everybody does. It's dry as a bone here. And I still get it real bad. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if it tickles your fancy. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time. All right, you guys want to talk about something? I don't know. I'm just kidding.